Hello everyone, welcome back to Amura's kitchen. Today we are making a delicious fusion dessert, Paan Mousse. It's a creamy, aromatic and the perfect treat for festive occasions. Here is the detailed ingredient list. First I am grinding half cup sugar and cardamom seeds into a fine powder. Now we are grinding chopped betel leaves, gulkand, fennel seeds and rose water into a fine paste. Next, in a chilled bowl, whip the heavy cream until soft peaks form. This should take a few minutes with an electrical beater. Once your cream is whipped, slowly fold in powdered sugar and pan paste. You can add few drops of green food coloring to enhance the look. Transfer the mousse mixture into serving glasses or bowls. You can garnish the paan mousse with sugar-coated fennel seeds and refrigerate it for 3 to 4 hours. You can garnish the paan mousse before serving also if you want. I'm garnishing with rose petals also. This is completely optional. You can add little gulkand for that extra touch, but I'm not adding that now. And there you have it, a beautifully creamy and flavorful paan mousse. If you try this recipe, don't forget to let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Subscribe for more exciting recipes and I will see you next time. Thank you.